Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos and discuss our constitutional rights. Today's video comes to us from the channel Big Rod. In this interaction, he is dealing with the San Antonio Police Department. This interaction is exactly why it is crucial to have body cameras as well as recording your police interactions. As you see in the clip I am showing you, Rod makes a left turn while the light is still yellow, which is important because he gets pulled over for running a red light when it is clear that he didn't. What we see in this interaction on behalf of the San Antonio Police Department is what I call road piracy and gang tactics in order to generate revenue. Unfortunately for them, they weren't aware of the fact that Big Rod took all the necessary procedures in protecting himself against unnecessary government overreach. Let's check out this interaction and let me know your thoughts below.
Sir,
step out.
What happened?
Step out.
Why am I being pulled over, sir?
Step out the vehicle. You ran a red light. Step out the vehicle.
I did not run a red light. I have it on video,
Step
sir.
out the vehicle.
Sir, I don't need to
out
step out the vehicle. My hands are right here for officer safety.
He doesn't want to come out the car. Get out the car.
Sir, there's no need for all
Get
that.
out the car. I'm gonna break this glass.
Hey, you're gonna violate my rights?
No, I'm not.
You're being
Step out
recorded.
the
You're
vehicle.
being recorded, officer.
You ran a red light and you didn't pull over. Step out. Of
No,
the vehicle.
I signaled. I had my hazard lights on. I clearly told you where I was gonna get at. You're being recorded, officer.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car, sir. Sir.
Sir, you're being recorded.
Step out of the car.
You're being recorded, sir.
Step out of the car.
Look, I don't need. I'm officer safety. I have no reason to be coming out of the car. Go ahead and give me my ticket and go ahead and do what you go to
Step out of the
do.
car.
Give me my
You're gonna go to
ticket.
jail.
Give me my ticket, and we'll do what we
Step out
gotta
of the
do.
car, you're gonna go to jail.
You're on videotape, sir.
Okay, that's fine. You are too. Step out.
Look,
of the
you have
car.
another video camera.
Step out of the car.
Look, I'm gonna get my ID.
No, you're not. I'm telling you to step out of the car.
For what, sir?
You ran a red light.
But that doesn't mean you had to pull me out of the vehicle, sir.
You need to step out of the car.
That doesn't necessarily mean you need to pull me out of the vehicle,
Listen,
sir.
Listen, buddy. You need to step out of the car.
Listen, buddy, that's not how the law works.
Yes, it is. I'm telling you to step out. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out the
I'm
car.
telling you that's not unlawful. That's unlawful.
No, it's not.
Because for what reason do you need to meet? For what reason?
Sir,
For what reason do you need me to step out of the vehicle?
Detective Figueroa, San Antonio Police Department. Sir,
For what reason do you need?
Yes
For what reason do you need me to have to step out of the vehicle?
Do you have your driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Okay, can you hand me your driver's license?
Yes. All you gotta do is give me the ticket, do what you gotta do, and that's it.
Yeah, you need to hand it to me.
I don't have to. It says to display that.
Sir.
Sir, you're being
Your
videotaped.
driver's license. You committed a traffic violation, okay? Hand me your driver's license so we can see who you are.
Under
Check
threat
your
of
information.
under threat of arrest. You need my ID.
Sir, yes. I
Under
need
threat
your-
of arrest. Here, under threat of arrest.
I
Yes.
appreciate it. Thank you.
You're being recorded, just to let you know.
I'm sorry?
You're being recorded, just to let you know.
Okay, just to let you know you were as well. Are you an Uber driver, Lyft driver?
Yes, I'm on my way to a call right now.
I can't hear you.
I'm on my way to a call right now
Call for what?
to pick up a rider.
To pick up a rider?
I'm not answering any other questions.
Okay. Is your license valid?
Yes.
Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay, well, it's required by the state of Texas to have proof of insurance.
Well, if you run
That
the
is a
plate,
question that you need
if
to
you run the
answer, sir.
plate, you can see that
Negative. You
the.
need to have an actual physical proof of insurance, either on your phone or a piece of paper. So go ahead and do me a favor.
Let me go ahead.
Yes, sir. I need you to sign this ticket. We got a court date of June 24th for running this red light at Old Highway 90 in South County.
I'm not gonna sign, sir.
You're not going to sign?
No, sir.
Okay, here's the issue, sir. If you don't sign this ticket, then I have to take you to jail. Okay? This ticket is just a promise to appear in court.
You said it on camera. You said it on camera, so I got to. I might as well. You said it on
Yeah,
camera.
you have to.
Apparently, I have to. Okay, let me see
Unless
that.
you want to go to jail, it's up to you. If you
Unless-
want to get to work, you can just sign this ticket.
Under threat of arrest, you're willing me to sign that.
Yep,
Okay.
right here. Right there.
Yes, I got you. Oh,
Go ahead and sign right there.
Under threat of arrest.
Here you go. Let me get you a copy and you're good to go, okay?
All right, thank you. Have a nice one.
I believe that Rod has the evidence to prove his innocence in a court of law and contest this ticket. Now, don't take what I say as legal advice, but if I were in Rod's situation, one way I would handle this is to gather any and all additional evidence that might support their case and submit this evidence properly to the court for the hearing. Along with submitting a digital copy of the evidence to the court, I would bring in a physical copy on a USB drive just in case any of the footage is lost or accidentally withheld. Now, you could represent yourself like I have done successfully before, or you could hire an attorney. Depending on the complexity of the case, it might be wise to hire an attorney. But in Rod's case, as long as he does so properly, I believe he can successfully represent himself with the proper education and evidence. But what do you think? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.
San Joaquin. Gotta watch him. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rolling, no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros, telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the crew. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not even